Hey there, Zeth here from the Phrozen support team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ribbon cable in the Hotend extruder assembly for the ARCO. First things first, I would recommend turning the printer off and unplugging it and doing this with the power off. I'm doing this because the lighting in here is terrible, so you can clearly see it. First step would be to remove the front cover and unplug the fan, so pull this straight towards you and remove the fan connector here. Next, you will want a 2mm and a 2.5mm hex. So we're going to remove 2 2mm, one on each side, and there's 2 2.5mm on the back here. So we'll start with these small ones. Next, we need a 2.5. There's 2 in the back. I don't know if you'll be able to see them. Careful not to lose those. Like that. This is the important part. So there's a stop switch here. So what you need to do is gently bend this housing. So I don't know if you can see this clearly, but we're going to bend this housing a little bit and pull it over it. So I'm going to try to show it here as clearly as possible. Pull it like this, bend it a little bit over the switch, and just push it back, just like that. And now I'm just going to gently set this aside like this, and now we have access to the ribbon cable. So you want to carefully remove the tape, and then you want to carefully remove the ribbon cable. So with these, be careful, pull it straight, not to bend or break the pins, so just like that. And then the same thing on the back. I don't have a lot of room here to be able to show it, but just pull it straight back, just like that. And now you can put the new ribbon cable in. And assembly is the reverse of disassembly. Just be really careful when bending this housing over this switch when lining everything back up. So I can only record for 3 minutes with these glasses, so we'll see if I can put it back together. There's that. So we're going to try to bend this carefully. Once again, scoot it over a little bit, bend it carefully like this. Over the top. And then it snaps into place just like that. Fold your ribbon cable back in. Plug it in. Tape back. Now that we have the cover back on, the new ribbon cable in, just make sure this is in and flush. Make sure everything is properly connected. You can tuck in your ribbon cable now. Now we'll reinstall the 2 2mm screws. One on each side. Just like that, and then we'll put the 2.5mm back in. So these go in the back. I always turn left to catch the threads and then turn right to start tightening. That way you don't cross thread anything. Perfect. So now that that's in, the screws are back in, we got the ribbon cable back in and taped up. Now we can put the front cover back on. Push straight in gently, just like that. Make sure your ribbon cable's tucked in, front cover's back on, and you are good to go. Hope this video helps. Thanks.